Hello everyone, welcome to M Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk on how to get a free domain name, absolutely free. So before we get into details, I'm going to invite you to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed, and click on the bell icon, and also browse our playlist, see the available good videos we got. So let's get started. So service we're gonna be using today for free domain is Freenom. I actually knew about Freenom since, but I never got it. So I used it just for listen, and it worked perfectly for me. Really free and very super fast to register. So before you get a domain name, let me give you some of its advantages. So with domain names, our websites appear on the Google Search Console very easily, and also it makes our blog look very classic and professional. So another point is that with a registered domain name, you can easily apply for AdSense and they review into your blog really quickly. So now let's search for a domain name. Let's say mcheat.ml. Let's check its availability. Okay, CM story is available. I just added one in my card before doing this. So we check out. Let's eliminate one, eliminate it. Okay. Before I continue, I'll advise you to take 12 months free. This will permit you to use the domain for 12 months for free, and you have the possibility to renew if you wish to. You renew every 2 weeks before the domain is to expire. So keep the expiry date in mind. So 2 weeks before you will renew. So take 12 months free and we'll continue. Okay, now for new members, because it's not actually a sign up page, just follow the steps I just showed below behind, and you enter your email address, your valid email. Please make sure it should be a valid email address. If not, you won't have to. You won't receive the content on your domain. So especially when you want to sign up for AdSense or any other thing, this is something you're gonna apply to your blog, so you should get things serious. So you put a valid email address, and if you've already got an account, you just click on sign in. As for me, when you click on the sign in, when you register your email address, you click on verify my email address, and you will receive a message and a mail like this. It says, dear customer, before completing order, please confirm your email address by pressing the following link. You click on this link, and you will be redirected to the address page, where you insert your valid address. I repeat, your valid address. So you put a very valid address, no matter your country, put your address, and then you confirm. Now you'll be redirected back to the client area page, which will be like this. So I'm gonna log in. Alright, I don't want this one again. Okay, services, my domain. Alright, once registered, you will have your domain in the list of domains, and you see the status is active, so it can be operational as from now, and the type is free. The registration date is today, 26th of March 2020 and expires 26th of March 2021. Okay, now click on manage domain. Click on manage domain. Alright, to actually sign up, to actually add the domain to our blog, we come on to manage Freenom DNS. Here is where we're gonna authenticate the domain with our blog. So we head on to Blogger. This is a new blog I just created, so that's why I see the content. I just wanted to animate it, you know what I'm saying? I just wanted to animate the blog with this content. Okay, you come onto your blog and click on settings. Under basic, you click on here where you see publishing blog address. You click on set up third-party URL for your blog. Click on it. You enter your blog domain we just got here, which is mt2.ml. So click www.mt2.ml. Okay, click on save. Alright, it's really important you receive this message. This message saying we have not been able to verify authenticity to this domain. So this is the name, the CNAME, and the destination we're going to add to the domain for it to work perfectly. So before that, we need some Google IPs to authenticate the blogger. So for that, we're going to settings instruction. Come on to step 3, add www to your domain. Here you see this 3 DNS. This is the Google DNS, the Google IPs. So they are the A records you are going to add to the domain, to our Freenom domain for it to authenticate with our blog. So we copy each of these carefully and paste in here the type A. So add more records. Paste. Alright, then we take the others. Alright, we've got the Google IPs. Okay, now we need to add our CNAME from Blogger, which is very important. And then CNAME. For this DNS, any blogger can use it. It's very general. Whereas for the CNAME, it is unique for each blogger. It's unique for each blogger. So copy them and set as I'm going to do. You have www. Copy this. Okay, now click on save changes. Please note this very well. Feedback. I forgot to decide. Alright, record added successfully. Now here the run back to our blogger. Alright, so it's gonna take some time for it to make your blog. So you just visit the page. It's going to take some time for it to make the blog. So just be patient and make sure you redirect it. Yes, doing this will make every redirection of your blog for secure connection. Okay, so after some time and refreshing the page, you can see the blog address has been redirected successfully. So everything there, and please make sure you take this redirect mt2.ml to www.mt2.ml. If not, when someone types your blog domain without putting a W before, it won't go. But when you tick this, it's going to go. It will redirect it automatically. So let's view the blog. Alright. Here is it. You can see https www.mt2.ml. So this is how you actually register for a free domain name using Freenom. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Also, don't forget to share with your friends, family, and all the like. Thank you very much.